Sunil Shetty, the versatile actor, producer, and entrepreneur. Sunil Shetty, often referred to as Anna by his fans and peers in the industry, is a well-known Indian actor, producer, and entrepreneur who has made significant contributions to Bollywood over the past 3 decades. With his rugged looks, muscular physique, and intense screen presence, Sunil Shetty carved a niche for himself in the Indian film industry during the 1990s and early 2000s. Apart from his successful acting career, Shetty has also ventured into film production and various business enterprises, establishing himself as a multifaceted personality. Known for his action-packed roles and his foray into various genres, Shetty remains a respected figure in the entertainment industry. Early life and background, birth and family background. Sunil Shetty was born on August 11, 1961, in Mulki, a small town near Mangalore, Karnataka. He hails from a Tulu-speaking Bunt family. His father, Veerappa Shetty, was a self-made businessman who moved to Mumbai and started his own small-scale business, eventually owning a chain of hotels and restaurants. Sunil grew up in Mumbai, where he was exposed to the world of business and entrepreneurship from an early age. Education and early interests. Sunil Shetty completed his schooling in Mumbai and went on to graduate with a degree in hotel management. While pursuing his studies, Shetty developed a passion for fitness and martial arts, which would later become an integral part of his identity as an action star in Bollywood. His interest in bodybuilding and physical fitness led him to train in martial arts, and he eventually earned a black belt in kickboxing. Bollywood career, debut and breakthrough. Sunil Shetty made his Bollywood debut in 1992 with the action film Balwan, directed by Deepak Anand. Although the film was not a major commercial success, it established Shetty as a promising action hero with a distinct on-screen presence. His muscular physique and tough guy image quickly garnered attention, and he became a popular choice for action roles in the industry. Rise to stardom in the 1990s. The 1990s were a defining period in Sunil Shetty's career, as he starred in several successful films that solidified his position as one of Bollywood's leading action stars. Notable films during this period include Waqt Hamara Hai, 1993, Pehchan, 1993, Ant, 1994, Mohra, 1994, Gopi Kishan, 1994, Dilwale, 1994, and Support, 1996. Among these, Mohra was a massive hit and remains one of the most iconic films of the 1990s, further cementing Shetty's reputation as an action hero. In addition to action films, Sunil Shetty also proved his versatility by taking on roles in comedy and drama. His comic timing in films like Hera Pheri, 2000, and Gopi Kishan, 1994, was well received, showcasing his ability to excel in different genres. Hera Pheri, in particular, became a cult classic, with Shetty's portrayal of Shyam earning him widespread acclaim. Continued success and versatility. As the 2000s progressed, Sunil Shetty continued to diversify his filmography by taking on a variety of roles across different genres. He appeared in films like Dhadkan, 2000, where he played a romantic lead, and Jungle, 2000, in which he portrayed a negative character. His performance in Dhadkan as the heartbroken lover Dev was especially praised, and the film became a significant commercial success. Shetty's career during this period also saw him collaborating with top directors and actors in the industry. He worked in multi-starrer films like Kaante, 2002, Qayamat, City Under Threat, 2003, and Main Hoon Na, 2004, each of which was well received by audiences. Transition to supporting roles. As he matured as an actor, Sunil Shetty began to take on more character-driven roles, often playing supporting or negative characters. Films like Das, 2005, Shootout at Lokhandwala, 2007, and The Dana Dan, 2009, featured him in prominent supporting roles that were crucial to the film's narratives. This phase of his career demonstrated Shetty's willingness to experiment with different types of roles and avoid being typecast. Production ventures. Popcorn Entertainment. In addition to his acting career, Sunil Shetty ventured into film production with his company Popcorn Entertainment, which he founded in the early 2000s. The company produced several successful films, including Khel No Ordinary Game, 2003, Rakt, 2004, and Bhagam Bhag, 2006. Through Popcorn Entertainment, Shetty not only showcased his business acumen but also provided a platform for new talent in the industry. Role in promoting new talent. Sunil Shetty has been instrumental in promoting new talent, both in front of and behind the camera. He has given opportunities to aspiring actors, directors, and writers through his production house, contributing to the growth and diversification of Indian cinema. Business ventures. Hospitality industry. Following in his father's footsteps, Sunil Shetty expanded his interests in the hospitality industry. He owns several upscale restaurants in Mumbai and has been involved in various other business ventures, including real estate and fitness centers. His entrepreneurial spirit has made him a successful businessman, with a portfolio that extends beyond the entertainment industry. Fitness and wellness. Sunil Shetty has long been an advocate for fitness and healthy living. He owns a chain of gyms and fitness centers and has been actively involved in promoting wellness and physical fitness in India. His commitment to fitness has also led him to participate in various initiatives aimed at encouraging a healthy lifestyle among the youth. Personal life, family and relationships. Sunil Shetty is married to Mana Shetty, a well-known social worker and businesswoman. The couple has 2 children, Atiya Shetty, who is an actress, and Ahan Shetty, who made his Bollywood debut in 2021. The Shetty family is known for their close-knit bonds and has been active in various charitable and social causes. Philanthropy and social work. Sunil Shetty is actively involved in philanthropy and social work. Along with his wife Mana, he supports various charitable initiatives, particularly those focused on education, healthcare, and the welfare of underprivileged children. The couple runs a foundation that provides support to various causes, reflecting their commitment to giving back to society. Legacy and impact. Contribution to Indian cinema. Sunil Shetty's contribution to Indian cinema is significant, with a career spanning over 3 decades and a diverse filmography that includes over 100 films. His ability to adapt to changing trends in the industry, his versatility as an actor, and his commitment to the craft have earned him a lasting place in the hearts of audiences and the respect of his peers. Influence on action genre. As one of the leading action stars of the 1990s, Sunil Shetty played a crucial role in popularizing the action genre in Bollywood. His physically demanding performances and dedication to performing his stunts set a standard for action heroes in the industry. Many younger actors in Bollywood cite him as an influence on their careers. Role model for fitness and wellness. Beyond his contributions to cinema, Sunil Shetty is also regarded as a role model for fitness and wellness. His lifelong dedication to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and his efforts to promote physical fitness have inspired countless individuals to prioritize their health and well-being. Sunil Shetty is a multifaceted personality who has made a lasting impact on Indian cinema, business, and society. From his early days as an action hero to his current status as a respected actor, producer, and entrepreneur, Shetty's journey is a testament to his talent, hard work, and perseverance. His legacy in Bollywood, his contributions to the fitness and wellness industry, and his philanthropic efforts make him a true icon, both on and off the screen. As he continues to explore new avenues and inspire others, Sunil Shetty remains a beloved and influential figure in the entertainment world.